The machine can perform auto-locate function. When we need to attach a balance weight, the machine rotates to the desired position. Automatic brake, laser marking, and lighting functions are activated simultaneously. What makes the fully automatic wheel balancer U-589 stand out? Today, we'll explain it all in this video. Hello, friends, welcome. Today, I'm here to introduce Balancer's latest product, the U-589 fully automatic wheel balancer. From the machine's exterior, you can see it comes with a protective cover and a width gauge. It's equipped with a high-precision mechanical spindle with a 40mm diameter, made with precision through rigorous heat treatment for accurate measurements. The housing is a sealed structure with enhanced thickness and size, effectively preventing moisture from affecting the internal components. It features a 17-inch LCD display that can be adjusted in 4 directions. During operation, it provides a 3D animated demonstration. It offers 9 different measurement modes and includes the balancing optimization function. Additionally, the measuring ruler has been lengthened to accommodate unbalanced measurements for 10 to 24-inch tires. There's a slot for attaching weights, allowing for precise and efficient weight application. The machine includes a self-checking function, ensuring accuracy during operation, and enabling a one-time balance adjustment. You can also choose to equip the machine with larger-sized cones, suitable for Toyota Land Cruiser and Coaster. Large center tires and optional automatic locking nuts and centerless clamps are available. The machine can perform auto-locate function. When we need to attach a balance weight, the machine rotates to the desired position. Automatic brake, laser marking, and lighting functions are activated simultaneously. This is our hidden split weight function. Alright, for those interested, please leave us a comments. Stay tuned to me. Stay tuned to Balance.